The sky will put on one last show this weekend. This year's final full moon, also known as the cold moon, will appear early Sunday, December 15th. The moon will officially be full Sunday night, but it will still look full on Saturday and Monday nights. This month's full moon will also feature a lunar rarity. According to NASA, the full moon on December 15, 2024, will rise and set at its most extreme northerly points on the horizon, the result of a once every 18.6-year cycle. The moon reaches its northernmost point on the horizon every 18.6 years. This is when moon reaches the most extremes of its orbit around the Earth. We will see this on December 15th, when we will see the moon rising as far to the north as it ever does. This happens during the major lunar standstill. The major lunar standstill results from the rotation of the moon's inclined orbit over an 18.6-year cycle. It happens because the moon doesn't follow the same path as the sun. The moon's rising and setting positions on the horizon change constantly due to the movements of Earth and the moon. The moon's orbit of Earth oscillates as it rises at different points on the horizon over the years. The entire cycle of wobbling north to south and north again takes 18.6 years. At each end of its oscillation, the moon appears to pause for about 3 years, rising at the same point on the horizon before beginning to move back toward the opposite end of the swing. This pause is known as a major lunar standstill. December's full moon will reach peak illumination on Sunday, December 15th at 4:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, according to the Old Farmer's Almanac. So why is it called the cold moon? December's full moon is most commonly known as the cold moon, which is a Mohawk name for the cold, harsh conditions at this time of year when the cold weather sets in. NASA agrees, adding that the cold moon gets its name because December is the month when it really starts to get cold. It is sometimes known as the long night moon because it's close to the winter solstice, which marks the longest night of the year. The next full moon will occur in January. The first of 2025 will rise on Monday, January 13th. It is often called the wolf moon, since the wolf's howls were often heard more during the long cold nights of winter.